Today is an important day for La Trobe and for Melbourne's North as we celebrate the opening of our fantastic new $82 million La Trobe Health Clinic here in Bundoora. This is much more than a new building. It's a place where outstanding teaching, hands-on learning and real community impact come together. For our students, the clinic offers a state-of-the-art, technology-enabled environment where they can build confidence, develop practical skills and learn alongside experienced clinicians in a real-world setting.
When I set foot here at the new La Trobe Health Clinic, the first impression it gave me of how modern, professional and how advanced the learning environment is. There's going to be a lot of collaborative care between students, it's going to be buzzing with students, you get supervision from qualified clinical educators and you get exposure to modern technology.
Australia is facing a serious shortage of health professionals and universities like La Trobe have a responsibility to be part of the solution. This clinic will help us train an additional 400 allied health professionals every year and contribute to the university's goal of graduating 5,000 additional health professionals by 2030. We are preparing the next generation of health professionals, but we're also helping to build healthier communities. And that is exactly the kind of impact universities should have.
I came to La Trobe because it offers the best podiatry course in Australia, and podiatry is an occupation that you can help people, talk to people, interact and genuinely make a difference in people's lives. The hands-on experience that La Trobe gives to all its students is just unreal. The new clinic has 5 or 6 disciplines that are going to be working here, and being able to be involved in a huge environment like that with other disciplines is going to be an unbelievable experience for the future students here.
We're delighted to open our La Trobe Health Clinic and we look forward to the difference it will make for our students, for our partners and for the wider community for many years to come.